Imagine standing on the edge of an alien world, a place where no human has ever set foot. The vast, desolate landscape stretches out before you, seemingly endless. The air is thin and dry, and the sky, a muted orange-red, casts an eerie light over the terrain. Despite the silence, there is a sense of connection, a strange, almost inexplicable bond between humanity and this distant planet. Mars, the red planet, once a mystery hidden behind the veil of distance, is now being unraveled piece by piece. Through years of tireless exploration and scientific pursuit, we are slowly peeling back the layers of this barren yet fascinating world, discovering its secrets and unveiling its history. Once it was a place of wonder, known only from far-off telescopic images and vague theories. Now, thanks to NASA's relentless pursuit of knowledge, we have come to understand more about Mars than ever before. Each discovery brings us one step closer to knowing whether this distant world could one day play a role in the future of human exploration. At the heart of this great mission are the rovers, silent explorers that roam the Martian landscape tirelessly, capturing history and sending it back to Earth. These robotic pioneers are not just machines. They are symbols of human curiosity, determination, and ingenuity. Designed to withstand the harshest of conditions, they are engineered to push the boundaries of what we know about the cosmos. Each rover is more than just a vehicle. It is a testament to the spirit of exploration. They navigate treacherous terrain, battle extreme temperatures, and endure violent dust storms, all in pursuit of knowledge that could one day change the course of human history. As they travel across Mars, they help us piece together the puzzle of the planet's past. But perhaps even more importantly, they pave the way for the future, bringing us closer to understanding how Mars could one day be explored by humans in person. Each mission builds on the success of the last. From the early days of robotic exploration to the advanced technologies of today, the progression is evident. Technology refines itself with each new mission, expanding our reach and deepening our understanding. We are not just learning about Mars in the present. We are making strides toward understanding its distant past and its future potential. And while these robotic explorers have already made remarkable discoveries, the ultimate goal remains clear: to send humans to Mars to explore it firsthand. Decades of space exploration have led to this moment. It started with small, clunky landers that provided the first grainy images of the Martian surface, fragile glimpses into a world previously beyond our reach. From those early beginnings came the rovers, each generation more sophisticated than the last. Spirit and opportunity made history by confirming the presence of ancient water on the planet. Curiosity arrived with its groundbreaking discoveries about Mars's past climate and geology, and now Perseverance, the most advanced robotic scientist ever sent to another planet, continues the work of its predecessors, equipped with the latest technology designed to search for signs of life and understand the planet's history in even greater detail. These rovers were not built overnight. Their creation is the result of decades of engineering, scientific research, and countless trials. Each component is carefully designed and tested to ensure that it can withstand the unforgiving Martian environment, radiation, extreme cold, rocky landscapes, and dust storms that can blanket the planet for weeks on end. The development process involves rigorous testing and meticulous planning to ensure that every rover is capable of surviving the harsh conditions of Mars. Every landing is a tense and nerve-wracking spectacle, filled with moments of suspense as mission teams back on Earth watch and wait. The stakes are incredibly high. A single miscalculation could mean the loss of years of work and billions of dollars. Despite the high-risk nature of the task, the IA teams behind these missions work with precision and innovation. From the airbag-assisted landings of early missions to the more recent skycrane systems that lowered Perseverance onto the Martian surface, each advancement represents a new achievement in human engineering. When these landings succeed, it opens doors to new discoveries, doors that have the potential to redefine our understanding of Mars and perhaps the very nature of life beyond Earth. Perseverance, for example, landed in Jezero Crater, a site carefully chosen for its geological significance. It was once home to an ancient river delta, a place where, if life ever existed on Mars, it might have left behind its traces. The rover's high-resolution cameras have already captured stunning images of layered rock formations and chemical signatures that could indicate past water flow. These images are more than just pictures. They are a window into Mars's history, offering scientists a glimpse of the planet's long-forgotten past. Each photo sent back to Earth is a potential clue in the investigation of one of the greatest mysteries of all time. Did life ever exist on Mars? The importance of Jezero crater cannot be overstated. Its geological features suggest that it once held a lake, an environment that could have supported life, at least in microbial form. If Mars once supported life, these signs could be preserved in the clay minerals found in the crater, providing vital evidence that could change everything we know about the potential for life beyond Earth. Perseverance is equipped with a suite of cutting-edge instruments designed to analyze the surface in unprecedented detail. Instruments like Sherlock and Paxil analyze rock samples at a microscopic level, searching for biosignatures, indicators of past or present life. The mission is methodical, moving slowly and deliberately as Perseverance drills into the Martian surface to collect samples. These samples will one day be returned to Earth, where scientists will analyze them further, hoping to find definitive evidence of life, or at the very least, clues that might point us toward understanding the conditions that once existed on Mars. Every step of the mission is a step closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? But Perseverance is not just a camera on wheels. It carries with it an experiment that could change the course of human history. MOXIE, a device designed to produce oxygen from Mars' carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. This is more than just a test. It is a step toward a future where humans might one day live and work on Mars. MOXIE represents a blueprint for the future, an early glimpse into the technologies that could one day enable astronauts to breathe air made from the planet itself. This experiment is a preview of the technology that could one day make human life sustainable on Mars. MOXIE's success could lay the foundation for future missions requiring self-sustaining life support systems. By producing oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, this technology reduces humanity's dependency on Earth for supplies, an essential step toward making long-term space travel and colonization feasible. The ability to generate oxygen on Mars would reduce the cost and impracticality of transporting oxygen from Earth. Furthermore, MOXIE's technology could eventually be adapted for fuel production, enabling the generation of rocket propellant from Mars's natural resources. This would dramatically affect mission planning, making the prospect of return trips to Earth much more feasible and opening up possibilities for sustainable exploration. The dream of establishing a human presence on Mars is slowly becoming a reality fueled by innovations like MOXIE. These advancements bring us closer to a future where humans might one day live and work on the Martian surface, conducting scientific research and perhaps even setting up colonies. The challenges are immense, but with each breakthrough, we get one step closer to achieving the impossible. No one was sure if flight would ever be possible on Mars, given its thin atmosphere and extreme conditions. Yet on April 19, 2021, Ingenuity, an experimental helicopter, made history by achieving powered flight on the Martian surface. This achievement proved that flight is possible on Mars, opening up even more possibilities for exploration in the future. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, one thing is certain: Mars is no longer a distant mystery. It is a world we are getting to know intimately, and with each new discovery, we draw closer to answering some of humanity's most profound questions.